Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by preparing the essentials. Make sure your iPhone has the latest iOS and Siri turned on. This grants voice control and app access. Next, use a good USB cable. Plug it into the Xl6 dedicated USB port while the phone is unlocked. Once you connect, watch your phone and the infotainment screen. Accept the CarPlay prompt on the head unit and tap Allow on the iPhone. Doing this now lets the system authenticate and load the CarPlay interface without delays. Once CarPlay appears on the Xl6 display, interact with it like a phone-safe interface. You can tap icons on screen or use the steering wheel buttons and voice. Open Maps to begin navigation. Choose Apple Maps, Google Maps, or Waze depending on preference. For audio, select music, podcasts, or a third-party app and confirm audio output is routed to the car speakers. Make sure to test volume and steering wheel media controls so you can keep your hands on the wheel while CarPlay runs smoothly. To finish your session, simply unplug the USB or press home and switch the Xl6 audio source back to vehicle mode. Your settings persist for next time. Save a few favorites and recent destinations so CarPlay launches faster on Reconnect. If CarPlay fails to appear, try the single most effective fix. Swap to an Apple-certified cable and restart your iPhone. If that doesn't work, reboot the head unit or reset its USB settings. That usually resolves permission or handshake problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.